Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete page in PDF. So this is my PDF file that I download from the internet. And let's suppose I want to delete the page 2, that is class project 3. So how I can delete? So you simply need to open any browser and search for small PDF. So I'm going to search and you need to open the first website, smallpdf.com. And once you are on this website, click on edit, and here you can see an option of choose files. Click on that option. So I have that file onto the desktop, so let me select, and once that file is selected, so wait for a few seconds because it is now processing. Okay, so now it is processed and I want to delete this page, so you simply need to select, and here you can see an option of delete. Click on that and you can see that this page is now deleted. Once you complete your desired page deletion, you simply need to click on export and click on download PDF. So this is the process how you can delete page in PDF. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.